Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing K-1 fiancé visas, but this is kind of a specific video to the situation here in Thailand as we're starting to see things opening up as a practical matter, where we're not seeing this prolonged quarantine anymore, especially for vaccinated travelers, and even the quarantine's even been reduced for the unvaccinated. And basically, long story short is, people have been kind of sending me correspondence on, where do things stand with respect to K-1 visas. And I remember I was watching, it was on YouTube here, it was Bill Burr talking about a documentary called 30 for 30, where he was talking about a financial planner that, he's sort of the financial planner to major star athletes, and the guy would say, keep it simple, don't blow it, count your money. And I remember watching that. I thought that was kind of an interesting way of just sort of breaking it all down into, distilling it all into one kind of brief thing. Same thing here, get in, meter, file for the K-1. And what are we talking about? Well, there's a meeting requirement with respect to the K-1 fiancé visa. You have to admit, and there is a bill, you can waive it, but getting over the threshold for waiver can be something of a cumbersome process. But long story short, the visa requirement of meeting generally needs to be met. So, just get to Thailand, meter, and then just get the thing filed ASAP. And why am I saying it like that? Because things sometimes shouldn't be hurried. We're talking about people oftentimes that have met and have been talking for like almost 2 years now, and they've yet to meet in person, and they've really developed a strong bond. I've seen a number of these folks in these K-1 relationships, and the meeting requirement's a major issue, and there's really no way to overcome it, no way to get around it. Well, now that Thailand's opening, get on in here, meet her. Once you've met her, it's off to the races. We can go ahead and get that thing filed. We've got a long period of time in which to get that done. But get in, meet her, and just move ahead. That's the best advice I can give to folks right now. I've had a lot of folks contacting me about this, and the biggest hurdle to get over, unfortunately, right now, used to not be a big deal. Folks flew in all the time, and they just meet, and it was great. But for now, at least, and into the few forthcoming months, I think, it's getting better, but I know folks that have been talking to somebody for over a year, they're anxious to get moving ahead. Well, get on in here, meet her, move on.